Welcome to today's video where I will show you a strategy to make money online just by clicking. What if I tell you that there's a way to make money online without affiliate marketing? You don't have to invest any money or build fancy websites. You don't even need social media or promote anything. This new method is by far one of the simplest ways to start making money online. It is pretty quick and easy to set up and will just take few minutes so that you can build recurring income. This website is also pretty new and never discussed on this channel. However, you need to pay close attention to the end of the video to make the most profits from these methods. Don't skip ahead in this video because I will be going into details of how to set this up properly. Otherwise, it might not go so smoothly. Although this might be an easy way to make money online, it does not generate massive profits at once. But you can use these websites to make pretty reliable money every day, no matter what you are doing. You can create a way to do this while traveling the world and working from your laptop. I will show you how to do this on this video's step-by-step guide. Now before we begin, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you like making money online. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notifications bell. This will let you know whenever I have a new and exciting content to show you how to make money online so that you can be the very first one to use it and make the most money out of it. With that reminder out of the way, let's get started. For step number 1, we're going to use a new platform never discussed on this channel. It is a pretty new website, so it's fairly new to a lot of people. VFly is a platform that helps people grow their YouTube channel organically. You can access the website at vfly.com. Just a reminder, not a lot of people know that VFly is available. Their services can help a YouTube channel grow and videos go viral. This helps with subscribers and engagement on their channel. VFly will run Google Ads for their YouTube channel and those videos. Then they will draw viewers organically because they already have similar interests. This website isn't a place that deals with fake views, followers, or engagement. They use targeted ads to attract real people to grow YouTube channels. However, there's no guarantees that this will magically make videos go viral. VFly takes advantage of the YouTube advertising and Google Ads to help channels get bigger. VFly will do all the work creating the ads and running them, so you will just have to sit there and relax. But just a reminder, you will not need your own YouTube channel or film any videos like I said in the beginning of this video. You also will not need to spend any of your money or invest it in VFly. You can really just start with no money with this strategy. But it will only work if you follow all the steps until the end of this video. Don't skip any steps or else you will get lost. Now let's jump right into it. Like I said, VFly helps YouTube channels grow. Their website says that VFly uses the latest YouTube promotion strategies to increase YouTube views and reach using Google AdWords from the right audience. That's right, they have real people who are interested in the topic. Click on and watch the videos. For example, the person wants to grow a cooking channel. VFly will promote their YouTube channel and their YouTube videos to people who want to watch cooking videos. This helps the YouTube channel owner gain long-term viewers and subscribers. YouTube is a great platform for businesses. There's a lot of YouTube channels being created every day, which means there's a lot of potential for people who need help growing. But just a reminder, you will not need to create or film anything with this strategy that I will show you. To use VFly, you only have to do few steps to make use of this website. For step number 1, you will just need to enter the YouTube video link that you want to grow. Then for the next step, you will need to enter the keywords and countries that you want to target. Let's say you only want to focus on people from the US, Canada, and Australia. You can choose to select those places only. If you want a broader approach, you can leave it to target everyone worldwide. You can also target specific keywords, and by doing so, you can narrow down and only reach those people interested in the specific topic. This is recommended if you can fill this part out. For the last step is to get real views, subscribers, and likes. Now that you have completed your part, VFly will create your ad campaign for the YouTube link to get it more views. Once they start running, you should see an increase in views, likes, and subscribers. All of those views, subscriptions, and likes, once again, are from genuine people who are interested in watching those clips. This is a fantastic strategy to expand a YouTube channel over time. So, for the first step, I strongly advise you visit vfly.com. Look at the sales page for more information on how it works. Keep in mind that you will not be required to expand your YouTube channel, nor will you be required to market your YouTube videos, nor will you be required to invest any of your funds in this endeavor. You won't have to market it as an affiliate either. There isn't even an affiliate program for them, but that's beside the point. The first step is to go to vfly.com. Step 2 is to create an account on vfly.com by clicking the register icon in the upper right corner. And if you continue with me, you'll see that this isn't the only platform we'll be using. Furthermore, you will not be required to market your YouTube videos or to film any videos at all. You will be taken to the next page after clicking the register button where you can establish a free account. The simplest method is to use the top right buttons to join up with Facebook or Google. This method is the quickest and only requires one click. The alternative option is to fill up the first 2 boxes with your entire first and last names. Then below that, you must provide a valid email address followed by a password creation box. To agree with their terms of service and privacy policy, check the last box. Finally, there is an option to get notifications in the form of a checkbox. Then, to register, tick the box. We can get to work making money now that you've signed up with VFly. This is the point at which you begin to profit from drop servicing. Drop servicing is similar to drop shipping, only instead of shipping real things from AliExpress to a Shopify site or Amazon, you'll be using VFly to drop serve other platforms. VFly's service can be used in a variety of ways, owing to the fact that not many people are aware of the service. Only a few people are aware of the existence of this website. You may look for Build Your YouTube Channel or Grow Your YouTube Channel on some of the freelancing websites such as Fiverr. As you can see, there are a variety of people offering this type of service for various prices. For instance, if I open this one, the basic plan costs $50, while the premium package costs $145 for 14 days of organic promotion. Simply list your service on Fiverr.com, PeoplePerHour.com, Guru.com, Freelancer.com, TrueLancer.com, Upwork.com, QuickenGigs.com, and other sites. You can provide the service on a variety of freelance platforms. You could actually sell this for $150, so you can spend $50 of that $150 on VFly's services. Simply go to vfly.com and copy and paste their YouTube video link, make it become viral. The remainder, in this example $100, is kept as profit. This is $100 for simply copying the link, pasting it in the box, and clicking submit. That's all you have to do. VFly will begin working for you and increasing your YouTube video and channel from that moment forward. If you're not sure if that works, keep reading. Of course, it does. Many individuals like this person desire to build their YouTube accounts. This random seller has over 30 feedbacks indicating that they have made many more sales than 30. Not everyone is going to leave a comment. So for merely delivering the service, assuming 30 sales at an average of $100 is $3,000 for this guy. As a result, it has been demonstrated that this method works. People are making money with this method, so there's no reason not to adopt it. If you don't want to use Fiverr, or if you believe it's too complicated or oversaturated, or if you may think there's too much competition on Fiverr, Another way you may sell this service is go straight to YouTube and identify smaller YouTubers who are wanting to expand. You can get in touch with them and explain how you can help them achieve more real, organic, and targeted views on their YouTube channels and videos. Here's an example of how I'd go about doing that. I'd conduct a key search. I'd offer cooking as an example, but I don't advise eating and cooking channels. It's generally best to concentrate on finance and investment because it's more a serious topic. But for the sake of the instructional video, let's do cooking. I'll look for cooking and filter my results by today or last hour for now. This will show the biggest YouTubers first. But if you scroll down, you'll see smaller YouTubers who are still attempting to grow. So I'll skip over all the huge YouTubers because they're unlikely to require our service. For example, let's pretend I'm going to open this one. With 5,000 subscribers, this channel may be a possible customer for us. So just go to YouTube and look for the growing YouTubers. There are literally millions of them that you can assist and convert. Let's assume I'm going to use this one as an example. I'm going to the About section. It states that in order to read their email address, you must first log in. You can contact them and explain that you are a social media specialist who will assist them in naturally growing their YouTube channel. They can test out your services for $20 to ensure that they are not a scam. You simply take the $20 and return to vfly.com, where you will spend $10 on an ad and pocket $10 for yourself. When their channel is expanding, they will surely want to invest more money once they have genuine people watching their channel. If they invest $1,000 in this service, you can pay VFly a share and keep the rest. You'll be able to keep a portion of the revenues for this one person. So there's a lot of opportunity here. All you have to do now is stay consistent and identify as many small YouTubers as possible. Contact them all, offer them your services, and then make deals with them again at different rates. And put a portion of whatever they pay you at VFly and let the website do all the work for you. Obviously, you don't want to tell them about VFly. Instead, you tell them that you'll help them build their channel organically. You are once again assisting them in their development. Most of these people are running businesses and will be grateful for your assistance in helping them expand, get more views, and receive more actual targeted views when they see results. They'll be able to make more money. As a result, it's a win-win situation for both of you. And all you have to do is grab some of their YouTube links once you made a transaction. If you want to promote their video, all you have to do is copy and paste the video's link. Return to vfly.com, paste the link into the appropriate box, and then create a campaign. Next, I'll demonstrate how to create a campaign. You can see that they offer other things besides views. It's a good idea to attempt to focus on subscribers, likes, and comments if you don't want to spend too much money. I tend to use those options or else it gets more pricey. Then we may move on to the next stage, which is the budget choice at the bottom of the page. You will input the budget in the box after clicking on the button. Of course, you don't have to spend any of your own money. You might begin with a little sum depending on the task. You may begin by taking a part of each transaction you make on one of those freelancing platforms and putting it toward VFly. So you start with nothing and don't have to invest any of your money. You may start for free. The final step is simply to target and insert keywords. This will assist in identifying certain audiences and individuals who are interested in watching these sorts of videos. You may accomplish this by scrolling down and clicking the button. You can see here it says describe your video using keywords and phrases. Click on the add from this video button. Those keywords will automatically generate. After that, you click submit to start creating a campaign. That's all there is to it. You may make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars from each transaction by following these easy procedures and clicking these buttons. You may repeat this process as long since there are millions of individuals building their YouTube channels. Remember, There is enormous potential using YouTube, and channel owners are prepared to spend money on these services since they will see a return of their investment. Thank you for watching this video. I sincerely hope that you learned some great strategies and gained some value out of this video. If you did, don't forget to drop a like and leave a big thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. This will let you know whenever I post exciting new contents. Be the first to take advantage of these new techniques to make the most money online. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.